Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have the Hummer H1 back into the shop. That is correct. It just pulled right in and the owner decided he wanted to redo the interior headliner. So Joey already cleaned up the interior, but unfortunately after it came back from the shop, people touched it. There was footprints everywhere. There was dirt, grime, debris. So in this video, I will get more into detail on how to properly clean the entire interior, and then we'll protect it. And nonetheless, we have to clean and condition the leather. Let's get to it. To begin the process on the interior of this Hummer H1, we had to start cleaning it. But before we started with the cleaner, which is total interior cleaner, we started off dusting off any of the intricate details using the All in the Details interior brushes. The nylon bristles are super soft, super plush. I did not saturate the bristles when I came to just rubbing around the grime because I just want to knock it off either onto the floor or onto the vinyl of this Hummer. Then after that, I grabbed a blue Workhorse microfiber towel with my total interior. So all you need to do is either spray it onto microfiber towel, like I did, or you can spray it onto the dashboard directly. I personally like spraying it directly onto a microfiber towel because I was working with buttons, I was working with gauges, I was working with sensitive plastic, and I did not want to scratch it. So I sprayed onto my microfiber towel so I won't get any runoff or any overspray. So spray it on there, then you go to the surface, you wipe it down. So total interior cleaner, I love it because it is a protectant and a cleaner. So if you like an OEM shine, you don't want nothing too fancy, nothing too glossy, just use total interior cleaner by itself. So after I finished cleaning up the interior, which is the buttons, the plastic, the vinyl, the rubber of this Hummer H1, I had to protect it because the owner loves keeping it out in the sun and we do not want the dashboard to be cracked. So I went to VRP for help. So VRP is a water-based dressing that can protect vinyl, rubber, and plastic. So if you're a guy that wants one product that does it all to protect your vinyl, rubber, and plastic, VRP will be the way to go. VRP is a medium to high shine. If I had to put it from 1 being the least shine to 10 being the high shine, I would put VRP at a high 8. That is correct. A water-based dressing will still deliver high amount of shine with just a single application. But before I move on to the next process, I forgot to mention, I also use total interior cleaner to clean up the Alcantara that is in the front passenger seat and the front driver's seat. Total interior cleaner does not need to be sprayed directly onto Alcantara, especially because it's very sensitive. Spray it onto a microfiber towel and just massage it in one direction. Do not oversaturate, do not. But like I was saying, VRP is a water-based dressing, so as soon as I applied VRP onto the vinyl, it started drying up. So if you're using an interior dressing, we recommend going with water-based dressing because you do not want an oil-based dressing. 1, it is too glossy, and 2, it is too slippery. Then you're gonna be sliding around like a little salamander. You need to be in place whenever you're driving or riding passenger. So VRP is a perfect way to go. And then after that, we moved on to leather. So leather cleaner is going to go ahead and remove body oil, stains, debris, grime that is sitting on the leather that may be deceiving the look of the leather. Unfortunately, I did see there's a lot of fingerprints after it came back from the shop, but I need to make sure I remove it easily, safely as possible before I condition it, because if I do not clean it properly, the leather conditioner will not bond properly to the surface. So how did I apply it? I sprayed it onto a long-haired leather brush, which is very soft. You just rub it on there, and also sprayed it directly onto the surface. So after I sprayed it directly onto the surface, I agitated using the brush and I brought out all the grime that was sitting on the fabric. If you are working with perforated leather, do not spray it directly onto the perforated leather, spray it just directly onto the brush, then scrub it out. After it is completely clean, you grab a brown microfiber towel or any microfiber towel you want to color coordinate. As you guys saw in this video, I had VRP applied with a blue microfiber applicator while I applied leather conditioner with a brown microfiber applicator. You always need to stay color coordinated so you do not cross contaminate. You do not want to be applying your leather conditioner with the applicator that VRP was just used with. You want to keep everything color coordinated. Like I cleaned all the interior with a blue microfiber towel, and when it came to cleaning up leather, I used my brown microfiber towel. But leather conditioner is a water-based dressing that contains vitamin E that is not going to let your leather crack, fail, or turn hard over time. So I applied it using my brown microfiber applicator, just rub it on. I applied 2 lines onto it, then I blotched it out over the area, then I rubbed it in. Any residue left behind, I just buffed it off. As soon as it is applied, you can sit on it, you won't be sliding around. And then before you guys start commenting down below, you guys knock grime, dirt onto the floor. Don't worry, I clean up the floorboards using Total Interior Cleaner. That is correct. The floor is vinyl. I sprayed Total Interior. I saved my life from having 10 different products sprayed on there, wipe it off in one direction. And for the carpet, I grabbed the shop vacuum, vacuumed it out, and now the interior is in perfect condition and the owner can take delivery. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below on future videos we should do, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Now, time to put these products away. I'll put those away right now.